Hey guys, it's me, Ivy. So today is so exciting. I was going to do this um, next month, not next month, but next week, but I couldn't hold it. I got my Birchbox. I opened the box. Cool. The box has changed. The outside box, the packaging box, it's not pink, it's blue. So that's cool. Hi, cop. Um. Anyways, I opened it and I'm like, what is this thing? So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So it was like this. It was this. And I'm like, what is this? So I pulled it out. What? There's nothing in it. What? What Birchbox? So I'm like, okay, is this like a bonus or, whatever? So I open. See, this is a cute packaging. Just a plain blue. Anyways, I opened this up and this was this. So I was like, oh, maybe it's a gift to say thank you for, their 8th anniversary coming up. So I was like, that is cool because I wanted one. I wanted a makeup thing. So this is cute. And it's huge. Great for traveling. This is what I needed for traveling for that vacation. Anyways, on to that excitement. This is what they're having. And they're doing this month is crazy deals, surprise giveaways. This month is all about you. So that's cool. So I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. Usually I get 6. 7. Well, of course they're almost their little anniversary, and also holidays. I get a little bit more, depending. Anyway, ooh, can this lighting be like this? Cause man, it makes my cam look good. Them places over. Oh god. Anyways, this is what I have. So, oh, and also I get stickers. These are awesome stickers. So I'm just having a good fall day. It's like gloomy, rainy, sun came out, rain, blah blah. Good. And also a thing to get. I'm definitely going to get that. Anyways, let's see what's in here. Alright. Let's see. Alright, first thing is this. Sorry, the light's not good. It's gloomy, of course. So just, that's the product. Okay, so this blur out product is a curl defining cream. Full size is 25, so that'd be good for my hair. And then next is this one. Okay, this little guy right here is a light smooth cream. It helps relieve itchiness and redness, leaving your face, for your face, feeling smooth and a little bit healthy, and putting down your neck too. That'll be good during the fall and winter. Full size is $19.90. Next product is what? Oh, shampoo. Alright. So this is I'm not gonna keep because I don't really need this. And then I'm gonna give this to my mom. Another brand from them. They just give me out different types of what they have. Really nice though to try out, their product and their shampoo conditioners, especially each one that is, that I know what I need for my hair. Anyways, this is moisturizing shampoo for dry and dehydrated hair. I have to say it slowly. Full size is $29. And also, of course, it comes with the conditioner right here. Da, 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 da. Moisturizing conditioner, blah blah blah. Full size is $33. Why the conditioner more expensive than shampoo? That is not cool at all. So I'll give that to my mom. Sharing is caring. We'll see what else. Okay, so this thing I'm like, woo, this is so cool. So this is it's for oily skin. I have combinations, so that will work because I have really bad oily right now with my forehead and T-zone area. This is oil. I like things that says oil free. It's alcohol free, fragrance free. Yeah, wherever that is. Non something and soap free. I don't know why that's at a high pitch. Anyways, this little guy's water thing, which is like the magnet for dirty and oil. It just cleans your face. Let's just say that. Wow. I cannot talk about that. It just cleans your face. Let's see what's next. What am I missing? Okay, and then this. You serious? Oh, okay. They don't put it on here. Wow. Okay, so I have this guy. It's really, really pretty. Is a lip oil. And the full size for this is $17. Not bad. Anyways, full size is $12 for this. Just hydrates your lips. That's all. It's a lip oil. Okay, this is not in here, but this is the product that I wanted in my Birchbox. It's a face oil. It's this guy. They forgot to put it in here because I don't. Wow. It doesn't say. Oh, so cute. It doesn't show on here. Like what's the full size or anything. So that's just weird. Anyways, this little sample. Of course, I have like 2 oily things now. Yeah, it's a face oil. Of course, what it does. It has vitamin C and something else. Oh, it has turmeric. Okay, so this oil helps brightens, hydrates, balance, and glow. I definitely need those things for this uneven skin tone. Yeah. Yeah. So it's sad that they put it on here. That's really weird. So yeah, that's what I have for my box and my stickers and this wonderful makeup bag thing I got. I'm like, congratulations. Thank you. Anyways, I hope you like this video. Sorry long. And comment, like, and subscribe. Click on the notification bell and Hyla Gray for more videos. And soon, spoiler alert, on Sunday the 15th, there's going to be a video. Oh no, Sunday the 15th, I'm going to put my first fall video up. I'm going to start doing my fall videos next week. Just let you know. There's some goodies coming. Anyways, if other videos you want to see in the fall time, just let me know down below. And yeah. Okay, I'll go. Bye, guys.